Guys, in this video we are going to take a look at this sensitive data exposure, and this data will be exposed using with any vulnerability like SQL or any other vulnerability. But in this hack me room of the OWASP 10, they have shown that there is a database leak and we can see what's going on in that database. So they have given here few examples, and there is a database file and you can open this with SQLite 3. So this is also similar to the MySQL we have learned before, but SQLite is used for very small projects, and this MySQL is used for small and medium scale projects. So it will be very simple to open this database file using the SQLite 3. And they have also shown you that dot tables to list all the tables. And now what we have to do is they have set this material to, and they are suggesting this CrackStation website to crack the password hashes. So okay, now let's do this challenge. So this is very simple theory, just the data is being exposed using the vulnerability. This is the SQL vulnerability, and what we want to do is we need to extract as much as data, as much as useful information from this data. So let me copy this and go to this website. So we have here, this is the website. Welcome to Sense and Sensitivity. So first click on this login. So you can perform this SQL injections as well, but what I have found is I press the Control U to see the page source code. So if there is a like plain text HTML file, always you check the uh, source code for the comments or any other useful information. Sometimes even comments can contain very useful information, which can be very useful in CTFs and also in normal life. And now there is a image. Let me open this. So let me remove this. So this is like images. Let me go to this. So this is the same challenge that is in the over the wire natas. And if you can just take a look at this, there is one level which is similar to like this. There will be image and you need to go back to the upper directories. Go to click on this parent directory and you have these files. You can see there is a web.db. So this is the database file which is getting exposed to normal user. So let us save file and go to our downloads. Let's say ls-ltr, and let me open this using this SQLite 3 application. Now you can see dot help for commands I can execute. So these are the commands I can execute. Unfortunately, first I tried with SQL queries, then I just got struck. So now what we have to do is we need to say dot databases. So there is okay, this is the database file. Okay, sorry, we need to list the tables. So let me say so there are two tables, sessions and users. Let me view the data from the sessions. Select star from sessions. So this select statement has been successfully executed, but other commands like show tables, show databases are not executing. Now I think this sessions table has been empty now. So from the users table we have this admin Bob and Alice. So I don't know, I think this is the hash. Let me check. Oh, copy this, and they have mentioned that CrackStation. Let me paste it in here and let this website crack the hashes for you. Okay, it's saying not found. Maybe this is the hash. Let me try this. So we can't really say the difference between hash and normal value. Okay, this is the hash. Okay, sorry for this. We have got this QWERTY UIOP. Copy this and let me open a notepad. And let's say admin password is uh, this one. In the same way, let me try to crack these passwords of Bob and Alice. Copy and paste it here. And the Bob password is test2. So let me do the same for this Alice. So maybe the hash of this Alice was difficult. Okay, so what they have found, what they are asking is what is the name of the mentioned directory. We have got this in the assets, so you see it's the assets. So navigate to the directory found in question 1 and what file stands out likely to contain sensitive data, which is webapp.db. Use the supporting material to access the data and what is the password hash of the admin user. So this is the password hash of this admin user. And let me copy this and paste it in the answer field. And what is the admin plain text password? QWERTY UIOP. Now they are asking to log in as the admin and what is the flag. So we need to use this SSH to log in. SSH admin at the rate of the IP address. I think SSH works. Maybe the SSH service is running on that computer. Alright, so I just forgot this. There is a login page, so you can just log in into this admin and copy this password. So you need to memorize all the elements of this HTML. See, this is the login page, which is just end of this toolbar. And if you log in, and there you go, welcome admin, and there is a flag. So you need to copy this and just paste it in here. So as you can see, simple database has been exposed, and from that database we have got these password hashes, and we have cracked those hashes with CrackStation, and then we logged into this console as the admin. So you can see even a small file exposure will create many problems. Even now you can see all the users here. You can delete the Alice or delete the Bob, or you can reset the password. So simple database file or any simple sensitive data exposed is very dangerous, and you need to protect this those files. So I hope you have understood this sensitive data exposure. It can be exposed via any method, but what you want to do is you need to look up for these important assets or important data.